Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the signpost background color according to the real life signpost on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on Settings, which is the third option. And now tap on Route Planning and Navigation at the top. Then scroll down and here you can find the signpost color feature, that if you tap on this button on the right side, it will be enabled, meaning that it will change the signpost background color according to the real live signpost. So if you would like to disable this feature, just simply tap on the same button on the right side and then it will be turned off automatically. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.